All right, Ellie. So today we're going to work on a couple words. Okay? All right, so the first word is pest. Have you heard that word before?
Yes.
Yeah. Where have you heard it?
My mom.
Your mom? How has your mom used it before?
When I'm being annoying.
When you're being annoying? Oh no. So what does the word pest mean?
Like a bug.
Like a bug. What does a bug do that might be like a pest?
It's annoying.
It's annoying. So like, what kind of bug is a pest to you?
A mosquito.
A mosquito's a pest. What does a mosquito do?
Bites you.
Bites you. Do you ever get it in your ear? You know, the little buzzing in your ear that's really makes them a pest, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, I want you to use the word pest in a sentence. Can you do that for me?
Stop being such a pest.
Good job. That is a really good one. Alright. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to have you spell out or sound out the word pest, but I want you to do it letter by letter, okay? So let's start with the first sound in the word pest.
P.
P. Okay, so when you say the letter, I want you to find it, or say the sound. I want you to find the letter that it matches with, and I want you to pull it down and say the sound as you do that.
P.
Good. Now what's the next sound?
Eh.
Good. So let's do that one more time. What's the next sound?
Eh.
Good. Now pull it down. Nice. The next one?
S.
Awesome. T. Good. So what does that spell or sound? Pest. Good job. I want you to say it with a little bit of inflection this time. A little bit of emotion.
Pest.
So how would someone say, "You're being such a pest"? How would you say that with a little bit of emotion?
Being such a pest.
Being such a pest. Okay, good job. We're going to read like that because that's a fun way to read, and it helps you with your reading. All right, so we've got this word, but there's another word that kind of sounds like pest, and it is actually the word vest. Okay? Now the word vest and pest sound about the same, right? They kind of rhyme, but there's one sound in there that changes. Can you tell me what sound or where the sound is that changes?
V.
V. So what letter changes? Is it P?
P.
So, sorry, what sound changes? How about that?
P.
Changes to?
V.
Good job. That's awesome. Okay, so I want you to put the right sound in its place. Can you do that for me? And say it. Say it as you drag it, okay? Say this letter as you drag it down.
V.
Good. Good job. Okay, now can you read that for me?
Vest.
Good job. Awesome. Okay, let's talk about a vest. What's a vest?
Clothes.
It's clothes. How about a little bit more specific? What type of clothes is it?
A
What's
shirt
it look like?
with no sleeves.
A shirt with no sleeves. Good. Have you ever seen anyone wear a vest?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Have you ever worn a vest?
No.
Really? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Didn't you help kids cross the street one time? Didn't you have to wear a vest to do that?
Yeah.
In elementary school? Yeah. Yeah. You had to help people cross the street and you wore a yellow vest to do that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can you use vest in a sentence for me?
I have never worn a vest.
You have never worn a vest. Good job. Okay, we're going to do that letter switching again, or that sound switching one more time. So the word vest, we're going to switch it to the word vent. You heard that word before? Vent. Okay, so what sound would change in the word vest to make the word vent? Are you sure?
No.
Can you sound out that letter as you bring it up?
Eh.
Good. So would in the word vest be the one that changes if we're changing it to the word vent? No. All right, so which letter would it be, do you think? Good. And what does it change to? Nice. Okay, so do you see that sound there? Can you drag it down and say Good. All right. Now, can you try and read that for me?
Vent.
Good job. Awesome. Okay, so you did a really good job. Vent. Let's talk about vent real quick, though, just in case. What's a vent?
Like a grate.
A grate. What do you mean a grate? Where have you seen
Where
it before?
air comes out.
Nice, where air comes out. And sometimes people like to say, I need to vent. A vent makes air come out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes people need to vent. They need their words to come out. They need to speak. They need to vent to people sometimes. All right, so can you use the word vent in a sentence for me?
Air was coming out of the vent.
Good job. Awesome. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is we're going to work on some other words. Some good words. All right, let's erase this. Okay, now this word is a little bit harder. You ready for it? Okay. So this is going to be the word sign. Have you seen or heard that word before?
Yeah.
Yeah? What is a sign? What is a sign?
Stop.
Like a stop sign. Good job. Okay, I want you to write out this word for me down here. But as you're writing it, I want you to say the letters that you write.
S I G N.
Good job. Now that can be a hard word, right? Don't you think? That G, that could be kind of confusing. But in this case, it's silent. You can see that, right? Because you said sign and not sign, right?
Uh-huh.
Sign. Okay, good job. So I want you to say it. What's this word?
Sign.
Good. And what's this one?
Sign.
Awesome job. Okay. Let's see. Let's erase this one. Okay, we're going to do another word. And this word is one you definitely know. Okay, ready? This is the word think. There we go. Okay. I want you to write out the word think underneath where I wrote it. And you're going to say the letter as you write it.
T
Good.
H I N.
Good job. Oh, good. I was afraid you'd miss the dot. Okay, good job. So, what does this say?
Think.
What does this one say?
Think.
Good. Okay, so with these big letters, I want you to spell think and do the same thing. You're going to grab the letter and you're going to say the name of the letter as you do that. Can you do that for me?
H. No.
Does it start with H? Let's see.
T.
Good.
T.
No, yeah, just say the letter name. You did it right the first time.
H.
Good. Good job.
I. N. K.
Good. Now what does that spell?
Think.
Good job. We're going to go through it one more time. Ready? This word,
Think.
this one,
Think.
and that one. Okay, and as I do it, I want you to say it with a different tone of voice every time. Ready? You can say it loud, you can say it quiet, you can say it really high and squeaky or really low and deep. Okay, ready?
Think. Think.
Nice job. That's a good one. I liked the whisper. That was good. Awesome job. Okay, now we're going to erase this and we're going to work on something different this time. You like books, right, Ellie?
Yeah.
You do right now. All right. So we are going to work on our reading a little bit. You want to come sit next to me? Okay. So the book we are going to be reading is called Caps for Sale. Oh, I'm just kidding. We are going to be reading a book that is actually on my laptop. Okay. Ellie, we are going to be reading this book. Can you tell me? So the title of this book is called Homework Yuck. What does yuck mean?
Gross.
Gross. Why do you think homework might be gross to some people? You don't know? I'm pretty sure you know.
They
Do
don't
you like
like it.
homework?
Mm-mm.
No. Sometimes homework's hard, huh? Why is homework hard? Is it ever hard for you, or do you find it pretty easy?
Hard.
Hard? Why is it hard?
Don't want to do it.
You don't want to do it. What would you rather be doing?
Watching movies.
You like movies, huh? Yeah, me too. I do like movies too. All right, let's see. I want you to read what it says here. You start there.